today is Saturday. Ha, you ate it na?
It is ice.
Yeah, just like that. Na, today ay first snow. Yes, November, what today? November 13. Yes, November 13. Snow na, guys. So, lumabas yung aking mahal na anak kay gusto na niya tikman yung snowflakes. Tikman daw niya. Kanya. Careful, ha? So, nandito lang kami sa labas. Hindi mo na kami papasok kasi mamaya, aalis kami. Kukunin kami. Ayan, may kukunin kami. So, nandito kami sa labas. And then kanina, you got it? Where are you? Kanina. What? It's like this here. Charan, matunaw agad kasi snowflakes man siya. Wait, give me a second. Manalo ko. Snowflakes. Here. Faster. Lick it. Snowflakes. Matunaw man siya yun agad, guys. Matunaw man agad yun ang snowflakes. Ano eh, fresh. Where are you, snowflakes? Kumutikim lagi daw siya kay snowflakes, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-gloves ka. Ayaw niya mag-gloves. Warm yung suot niya. You're freezing now? Are you freezing? It's time to go inside now?
No.
Let's go back to our car. No. Oh, snowflakes in your face! You have mata. Ningdugdog man. Ningdugdog. So, nakita niyo gagmay. Na, mga snowflakes gagmay. Ha?
I got snowflake.
You got it?
No.
No? I thought I got it. So, first, snow. Huh? You got it?
No.
So, ang aming, basurahan namin doon. Dumpster namin. You got it? Oh, you're freezing na. Let's go to our car.
No.
Sok-sok niya sa ako ang wallet niya ang kamot. That's smart move, right? That's a smart move because she's freezing. But don't forget, you have your own pocket too. Look, you have your own pocket.
No.
Yeah. So, yeah.
No.
Okay, nang malakas kasi natakot ako. Ay. Smart move na, sinuksok niya yung kanyang kamay. Kasi ganito talaga, guys, pag malamig, isuksok mo yung kamay mo sa iyong bulsa kasi warm. So warm, pag mga ganito magsuot kang ganyan, tapos ganyan, warm. So parang nagwa-warm yung inyong kamay. So ganyan. Kaso hindi wala, yung gloves namin nasa loob. Yung gloves niya nandun. Sabi ko sa kanya,
No.
Ha? Wala na, maybe later again. Maybe later. It's not. Are you okay?
It's snow.
Later again, anak. Later.
It's snowing.
Yeah, let's go inside. I'm freezing.
Oh.
I'm freezing, guys. I'm freezing. Pasok kami sa loob. Yung car namin naka-andar. Pero, off ko. Punta ka muna sa loob.
Snow.
You want snow? Wala pa, It's like snowflakes na makita mo yung snowflakes. Ngayon, parang konti na lang siya. Parang point na lang. Let's go inside. Kami sa aming loob kasi ang lamig.